Sneaking eight.
Ain't gonna
Don't
work.
you got that?
No. But it ain't gonna work 'cause it's too dark.
Now, when we get home sometime today, after we go through the bags, put everything back in these bags that are coming back to stores in the box that came good. Okay. That's that.
Oh.
Look at your mix. I'm pretty today.
I'm pretty today.
What are you doing? Dang, you son of a bitch. Fuck you.
That's all Lucy was.
I'm watching for the finger. I'm watching for the finger. I'm watching for the finger. And then forget about fucking minutes. Hey, Diane, I don't see the humor.
Oh, Lord.
Just don't see it.
That's all Lucy was.